Banana pecan bread. First mix 2 cups of plain flour in a bowl, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and set it aside. Then we want 2 of our bananas and just mash them up roughly. In our other bowl, add the other 2 bananas, add 1 cup of sugar, and whisk. Once your sugar and banana is light and fluffy, add 3/4 cups of melted unsalted butter,
2 eggs,
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and beat well. Sift in our dry ingredients, mix it in, then add in 1/2 cup of finely chopped pecans or walnuts, the rest of your mashed banana, fold it all in, and then add your batter to a loaf tin. And then give the tin a good wrap on the bench to smooth out the batter and get out any bubbles. And bake for about 1 hour and 15 minutes at about 175 degrees Celsius. After it's baked, you can check it with a skewer. Comes out clean, it's ready. Now let's leave it for about at least 10 minutes. Once the banana bread's cooled down a bit, you can decorate and slice. I'm gonna add some honey and some chopped walnuts. And I'll serve it with some cream and some strawberries.
You can find this recipe online at the Food Network website, Banana Bread with Pecans. Good luck. Thanks for watching.